Today or tonight, whatever time of day you're watching this, we're talking about sunglasses. Specifically, these sunglasses by a small brand that you've probably never even heard of, and that brand is Sunski. Starting in 2012, Sunski is obviously an eyewear company at its heart. They're built on the core principles of quality, community, enjoyment, and environment. Their story is pretty interesting, if I do say so myself. Beginning with a couple friends that went to college together, they graduated and started a company called Salsa Bowl. Essentially just a bowl to put salsa in with a lip so that you don't spill it. Following the failure of their initial business came the inspiration to start a sunglasses company mimicking some of the 1980s style sunglasses that they discovered while on a surfing trip in Australia in 2009. The rest is history. Sunski is a company that invented something called super light sunglasses technology, which essentially takes recycled polymer made out of post-industrial plastic and creates sunglasses out of it, which are super light, which is obviously implied by the name. Sunglasses like these, which you saw in the intro, which I've been wearing pretty much every day for the past couple years, I would say. Another important part of this brand's promise, which I find to be very important, is their lifetime warranty. This plays into their sustainability and environment goals, I guess you could say. Now, this is near and dear to me because I, in fact, damaged a pair of Sunski sunglasses, which you see here, which happened not even by my own liking. Obviously, I would have rather kept this pair, but unfortunately, in the everyday use of them, they cracked. However that happened, Sunski provided me a whole new pair at no cost, shipped it to me at no cost, and I now wear these every day. I'm really not sure if this is a huge thing in the sunglasses industry, but I mean, it's a really important part to this brand and a selling point to them, I think. By offering lifetime repairs, a lifetime warranty, you're allowing consumers, sort of minimalist consumers, to, if they buy a pair of sunglasses and something breaks, have a new pair instead of having to go out and buy a new pair and toss the old ones in the landfill. I mean, you could toss these in the landfill, but you could also keep them in case something else breaks on this pair and just repair it yourself. You have an extra set of lenses, you have obviously one extra arm, you have a whole body, you have hardware screws screwing everything together. If you're a savvy consumer, you can make it work. Now, this is a dipsy model, but they have plenty of sunglasses models ranging from basic polymer-based construction to more elevated premium styles in their premium collection, which have sort of metal bodies. And actually, it's interesting, I bought a pair of these, wore them maybe 2 or 3 times, and lost them in the mountains of Colorado, which is very unfortunate. But they don't replace lost pairs of sunglasses, but they did offer me a discount, which I think was a nice thing to do. The pair that I had were the black Berninas. They look like this. Beautiful sort of rounded sunglass shaped lenses with a metal body. As mentioned, they have a few different shapes in this type of premium collection, as you can see here. And then they have their everyday collection, which includes the dipsies that I currently own, as well as a few different styles, and they range between a lot of different colors. So if you're into green, if you're into brown, if you're into black, if you're into blue, if you're into clear glasses, they probably have something for you. On top of that, they have their Alpine, Ramble, and Classics collection. So plenty of styles to choose from. Another thing that's important to them is community, and they want to build out a wide community. So they make these sunglasses pretty cheap, allowing consumers at every level to buy into them. On top of this, they also offer a couple of different styles of blue light glasses, which I think have become more popular in modern times as we spend more and more time on our computers. I, for example, have a pair from Amazon here, and they are cheapest pair of blue light glasses that you could possibly buy, and they feel so flimsy. But I can imagine that the Sunski pair is built very well and also comes with that lifetime warranty, so you don't need to buy a new pair if they break or something happens to them. They've also begun offering some accessories such as a retainer or a lanyard to put on your sunglasses to keep them around your neck if that's your style, a zip pouch case, or a travel case. Most of their sunglasses either come in this microfiber bag, which is very nice. It also serves as a cloth to clean your glasses, obviously. Or the more premium collection comes in a hard case, which is also very nice. So in the world of sunglasses and the world of consumer products, a brand like Sunski that's offering environmentally friendly and sustainable products, sunglasses, which is a very huge thing for consumers nowadays, as well as a lifetime warranty, it's really a win-win. If you break your sunglasses, you can get a new pair at no cost to you, and you can keep living on in Sunskis forever, wherever life takes you. It's a great brand. If you've heard of them, let me know in the comments down below. I'm super curious. If you haven't, check them out in the link down below and let me know what your thoughts are. I'd love to know. In the meantime, if you enjoyed this video, please drop a like and consider subscribing to the channel. That's all I have for y'all today. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.